In a quiet town, a young philosopher pondered the mystery of rain gardens. Why do they thrive? He asked the wise gardener. They embrace the rain, not resist it, she replied. He watched as water danced through the garden, nourishing life. Is it acceptance that makes them flourish? He mused. The gardener smiled. Indeed, they transform challenges into growth. The philosopher realized that, like rain gardens, embracing life's storms could lead to inner peace. So wisdom is an adaptation, he concluded, feeling enlightened. Reflect on this. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.